Hi friends, welcome to Excel weekly assignment number 6. In today's weekly assignment, we are given a sheet in which there are 3 columns: category, entry and total amount. Now, the objective assigned to us is that we have to sort this total column in the ascending order. But if we do so, the categories would all get shuffled. So first we have to fill in the categories and then we have to sort the total amount. So go ahead, pause the video and try to find the solution for this. Then come back and I will show you two techniques of how you can find the solution. Okay, you're back. Now let me show you the first technique for doing this objective. So what we'll do is we'll click on computer accessories and we'll double click on this dot over here to copy computer accessories category down. Then we click on computers and just drag this down. And then we click on office supplies and drag this down. Then we click on the total column and we sort it in the ascending order. So for sorting, we click on data and here we select sort ascending order. So Excel will warn you that Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Do you want to expand the selection? So yes, I want to expand the selection and now it has sorted it in the ascending order. Now let me show you the second technique. In the second technique, we click anywhere inside the data and then we right click on the data and select Get Data from Table/Range. Then it will warn you where is the data for your table. The range is already selected. My table has headers, so click on OK. Now this will launch the Power Query Editor. Now we click on the Categories column. Then we right click on the Category column and we select Fill, and in Fill we select Down. So all the categories get filled down. Then we click on Close and Load and come back to Excel. Then we select the total amount column and we click on Data and we select Sort in the ascending order and we are done. So hope you have learned two techniques of how you can fill in the categories column and sort the data. Please subscribe for more such interesting tips.